Hi guys, welcome to another edition of SuperToy. Today we have this cool Toy Story puzzle. It's the Toy Story 3 puzzle. Buzz Lightyear, Woody. It's a pretty sturdy wooden puzzle. Let me go ahead and take it out and make it really quick for you guys, okay? And let me go ahead and do one more for the same Toy Story puzzle. Here it is. So this one is the completed one, and we have another one in here. And this one is a Toy Story 3 as well. And we have all the characters in here. We'll go ahead and take it out and put it back in really quick. Alright guys, another one done, the Toy Story 3 wooden puzzle. And thanks for watching the video today guys. We had fun making this video. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.